Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about the history of computers. Today we are going to learn about something you can actually see and touch: computer hardware. What are the parts of a computer? What does each part do? Let's find out. What is hardware? Hardware means any physical part of a computer that you can see with your eyes and touch with your hands. Simple example. When you look at a computer, the monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU box, everything you can physically touch is called hardware. Think of it this way. Your body, hands, eyes, brain equals hardware. Your thoughts and feelings equals software. Just like your body cannot work without a brain, computer hardware cannot work without software. But we will learn about software in our next video. Two main categories of hardware. Computer hardware is divided into two main categories. 1. Internal hardware, parts inside the computer. 2. External hardware, parts outside the computer. Let's learn about both. Internal hardware, parts inside the computer. 1. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes all instructions and performs all calculations. Every task you do on a computer, opening a file, playing a game, browsing the internet, the CPU handles it all. CPU speed is measured in gigahertz. The faster the gigahertz, the faster your computer works. Famous CPU brands: Intel and AMD. Simple example. When you open YouTube and search for a video, your CPU is the one finding, loading, and playing that video for you. All in milliseconds. 2. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is the temporary memory of the computer. It stores data that the computer is currently using. When you open an app or a file, it loads into RAM. More RAM, computer can run more programs at the same time without slowing down. RAM is measured in GB, gigabytes. Common sizes: 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes. When you turn off the computer, everything in RAM is deleted. Simple example. Imagine your study desk. RAM is the space on your desk where you keep the books you are currently reading. The bigger the desk, the more books you can keep open at the same time. Hard disk drive, HDD, solid-state drive, SSD. This is the permanent storage of the computer. All your files, photos, videos, and software are stored here permanently, even when the computer is turned off. HDD uses spinning magnetic disks to store data. Slower, but cheaper. SSD uses flash memory chips. Much faster, but slightly more expensive. Storage is measured in gigabytes or terabytes. Common sizes: 256 gigabytes, 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte. Simple example. If RAM is your study desk, then HDD SSD is your bookshelf. You store everything permanently there and take out what you need when you want to use it. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It connects all hardware parts together. CPU, RAM, and all other components are plugged into the motherboard. Without the motherboard, no parts can communicate with each other. Every computer has one motherboard. Simple example. Think of the motherboard as the foundation of a building. Everything else, CPU, RAM, storage, is built on top of it and connected through it. Power Supply Unit, PSU. The power supply unit converts electricity from your wall socket into the right type of power that the computer needs. It supplies power to all internal components, measured in watts. Without the PSU, the computer cannot turn on. Simple example. PSU is like the heart of the computer. It pumps power to every part, just like your heart pumps blood to every part of your body. Graphics card, GPU. The graphics card, also called GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, is responsible for displaying images, videos, and animations on your screen. Basic computers have a GPU built into the CPU, called integrated graphics. Gaming computers and video editing computers use a separate dedicated GPU. Famous GPU brands, NVIDIA and AMD. Simple example, when you watch a YouTube video in 4K or play a high-quality video game, your GPU is doing all the hard work of displaying those beautiful visuals on your screen. External hardware, parts outside the computer. External hardware is divided into three types. 1. Input devices, used to give data to the computer. Keyboard, for typing text and commands. Mouse, for clicking and navigating. Webcam, for capturing video. Microphone, for recording audio. Scanner, for scanning documents and photos. Simple example, when you type your name on the keyboard, you are giving input to the computer. 2. Output devices. Computer gives results through these. Monitor, displays everything you see on screen. Printer, prints documents and photos on paper. Speakers, produce sound and audio. Headphones, personal audio output. Simple example, when you see a video playing on your monitor and hear sound from speakers, that is output from the computer. 3. Storage devices, used to store and transfer data. USB flash drive, pendrive, portable storage device. External hard drive, large capacity portable storage. CD, DVD, optical discs for storing data. Memory card, used in cameras and smartphones. Simple example, when you save your school project on a pen drive and take it to school, that pen drive is an external storage device. Closing. So now you know what computer hardware is and what each part does. Remember, hardware is everything you can physically touch on a computer. In our next video, we will learn about software. What is software, and what is the difference between hardware and software? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.